Your AI code review is garbage. If you treat your LLM like a helpful pair programmer, you are leaving bugs, security holes, and technical debt on the table. The gap between a helpful assistant and principal engineer is a single, critical variable, the prompt chain. Most developers use a single prompt: review this code. The LLM gives you generalized suggestions. This is equivalent to asking a junior intern to audit your production code base and expecting perfection. The principal engineer doesn't just review, they challenge. They think about scale, failure modes, and malice. To replicate this scrutiny, you must move beyond the single prompt. We are building a 3-pass chain. Each pass addresses a dimension of quality that the last one leaves untouched. It forces the AI to escalate its thought process from surface-level check to deep architectural audit. Pass 1 is the foundational check: functionality. Does it meet the defined requirements? Is the logic sound and does it run without exception? The prompt here must establish a persona: you are a lead QA engineer. Execute unit testing mentally against this code block. This grounds the AI in its role. It checks for obvious bugs, off-by-one errors, uncaught exceptions, and logical inconsistencies in the implementation against the original goal. If Pass 1 passes, you move to the true test, Pass 2. This is where most amateur reviews fail. Pass 2 is the security and edge case audit. The prompt must instruct the AI to assume malicious intent, either external or internal. You prompt: assume this code is deployed in a hostile environment. Identify all potential injection vectors, race conditions, and resource leaks. This forces the LLM to shift from "does it work" to "how can it be broken?" A mindset crucial for professional-grade software. It searches for subtle vulnerabilities, timing attacks, improper input validation, or denial of service vectors hidden in seemingly benign loops. Only after Pass 2 is clean, no critical vulnerabilities found or mitigated, do you advance to the final phase. Pass 3, refactoring and optimization. The code works, it's secure, now make it elegant. Is there a simpler algorithm? Can complexity be reduced? The prompt here is: refactor this code for maximum maintainability and algorithmic efficiency. Target O, n log n, complexity if currently higher. This drives the AI beyond simple bug fixes into architectural consultation. It challenges your initial design choices. It looks for places where a pattern match might be replaced by a library function, or where premature abstraction muddies the simplicity of the solution. This is the transition from "it works" to "it sings." The code becomes not just functional, but idiomatic and maintainable at scale. The final output isn't just a fixed version, it's a documented evolution of the solution, complete with high-level architectural commentary. By chaining these 3 distinct roles, QA tester, security auditor, and senior architect, you are simulating a full-stack engineering lifecycle check. The result is a massive acceleration of your workflow. You spend less time debugging and more time building features. You are no longer accepting good enough. You are demanding production-grade excellence before committing. This chain transforms the LLM from a rubber stamp into an intellectual sparring partner, pushing your code to its absolute limits. Start applying this multi-pass mindset to your next project. Stop asking "is it okay?" Ask, "how can this be perfect?" Mastering the prompt chain is mastering modern software velocity. It's the difference between a hobby project and production-grade, enterprise stability.